How to make the rotary dimple die hole. Option 1. Download the DXF file from our website to use with your favorite CAD software. Then you can easily cut with a laser or plasma cutter. Option 2. Use the stencil provided with every purchase. First, place the stencil where you would like your hole, then mark or scribe your lines. Center punch your holes. Drill your holes to the size noted on the stencil. Extend and scribe any missing lines from the stencil. Begin cutting or grinding with your tool of choice. Small cut-off discs on a rotary tool work great. Once you have the rough shape cut out, use a sanding drum or file to clean and smooth the profile. Test fit as needed. The goal is to get a clean edge that fits. The hole does not need to be a tight fit. Even a rotary dimple hole that is slightly off or oversized will look great in the end. It is always best to fully clean and deburr your material before you dimple it. A drum sander gives a beautiful surface finish. Now you're ready to use your dies to flare your hole. Press until the material is flattened. This came out amazing and took no time at all.